This is chaos, Matthew. I can listen to
You really can't beat that ITB sound. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, DriveItRyan. In today's video, Jeff, Matt, and myself are going to Thompson Speedway for the Lock City Season Blowout event. This happened November 13th, 2021. So if you were at the event, DM me on my Instagram, DriveItRyan, because there's a very strong chance that I have some photos of your car. So real quick, I just want to thank Jeff at 413RC for providing all the drone footage. He always kills it. So after this, check out his YouTube channel, 413RC. He's going to be putting out his own video from this event. And yeah, let's get right into the video. It's a bit of a production. Took me a long time, so I hope you enjoy. I hope it keeps you entertained the whole way through. Let's get right into it. So what you just saw was only from the first half of the day. As the afternoon came around, everyone just sent it. Last drift event of the season. It was chaos, insanity, but I loved every second of it. Check it out. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to share it with your friends. Help get this video off the ground. And if you're new to my channel, check out some of my other videos. I have a few different car builds. I'm going to be starting a series on the E90 M3 very soon. I've been building the Miata and taking it to track events and stuff all summer long. And got a couple other things I've been working on. I have a WRX outside. Basically, I'm a car nut and I want to do this sort of thing for a living. So that's what I'm trying to do. Thank you all for the support. Yeah, don't forget to check out 413RC on his YouTube channel too. Thanks again, Jeff, for the drone footage. As always, it was awesome. So that's it. Love you all. Have a good night. See you in the next one. Peace.